on my way to go get Starbucks, and I'm gonna come back here to my house, and we're gonna work out together. Yay! This is the little workout shed in our backyard. Got my bag. Got this weird thing from like the 80s. And then our little elliptical. And then the recumbent bike. So I finished my workout. I am going to take a shower now, and I have some stuff that I have to ship out, and I have to take care of a few things. So you're gonna come along with me while I do all of that. But first, I need to clean off all of the sweat, because I worked out for like an hour. So yeah. I was going to wear my cute little hoodie, but Southern California heat, it is 100 degrees, so no. Also, you're like propped up behind my steering wheel. We're gonna fix that in a second, but oh my gosh, it's so hot.
basically my day. That was my Monday. So yeah, I guess join me next time for what my day is like. Night.